Aloha and welcome to Cooking with Dino Mama. Today I am making sauteed figs. This episode is not sponsored by anyone, and anything I use or that you see is what is available in my home or local grocery. Start by turning the stovetop to medium and heating a large non-stick pan. Add 2 tablespoons of butter to the pan. Do as I say, not as I do. I'm using 1 salted and 1 unsalted tablespoon to mellow out the sweetness a little. While the butter is melting, or beforehand if you're organized, cut off the stems and slice as many figs as you like into quarters and throw them into the butter. I'm using 7 figs today, which is probably how many are left that I haven't eaten yet. Here's a little known fact. The concept of paleontology didn't exist until 1824 when William Buckland, Oxford University's first professor of geology, named the first known dinosaur, the Megalosaurus. And now, back to our mega delicious figs. Now, just let the figs heat up and mix it a little so they get coated in the butter. Cook for about 5 minutes. You can actually see the butter bubbling and the figs softening. These are delicious just the way they are, but I like to serve them with ice cream and occasionally with some honey drizzled on top. Make sure to serve and eat right away. Thank you for joining me today in Dino Mama's Kitchen. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Enjoy, and remember, only nice people get sweets.